Welcome friends! Today we're taking a look at the Kamatera Cloud Solutions, who offer a host of services related to cloud hosting. I will, for simplicity, go through how to set up a Minecraft game server. However, the basics are the same for their other services, such as their cloud servers, virtual private servers, or even virtual dedicated servers. You can explore their full product suite on their website. I will provide a link in the description below. In a nutshell, Kamatera Cloud Solutions provide an easy way to install your operating system and the associated apps and services. You'll see some here such as operating systems, containers, databases, web control panels, environments, hosting, monitoring, web servers, and much more that is easy to install. And you do this by signing up with a specific amount of resources such as the virtual CPUs, the RAM, storage, and where in the world the server should be located. For a quick view, we can check below and see they have servers all over North America, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Australia. Pick one which is the closest to where you, friends, and customers exist. It is a scalable architecture and comes with security measures such as data encryption, access control, as well as 24/7 customer support. Of course, there is a 30-day free trial which you can make use of to get into it and make sure the solution satisfies your requirements. You get a $100 budget for the first month free of charge. Great way to test it out. Here we're going to select the latest Minecraft on the Ubuntu, and we're going to do 2 vCPUs, 2 GB of RAM, and just 20 GB, which should be enough for what we're doing. I'm going to select one from this list, and in this case, I can do New York. That's fine. We're not going to take in this. We're going to leave that, and it'll be $10 per month. We're going to hit sign up. Here they highlight the features of the 30-day cloud. You can get one cloud server valued up to $100, 1 terabyte of cloud block storage, internet traffic, all the features and scalability and everything, and technical consultation and support if you need it. Let's create our free account. You do have to verify your email and then you'll be directed to your new account. First thing to do here is to add your billing profile. Of course, I'm not going to show all this, but you have to fill it in and then hit next. Now you do have that 30-month free, but you do have to verify your credit card as well. It's a pretty standard thing. They're not going to actually deduct anything, but you have to verify that you're a real person. So you might get to this prepayment where they request a fully refundable security deposit. And this can happen when you're having some credit card issues. I had that as well when I was testing it out. I'm having it now as well, where you have to deposit $10. This is fully refundable. So if you continue using the service, the $10 will be used for that. If you decide to cancel within the 30 days, you will close your account and you will be able to get the $10 refunded back to your credit card. So nothing to worry about. It's pretty standard just to make sure that you are a real person. There's no fraud occurring here. So I'm going to deposit my $10. So the way to do this is create new server, and it'll load up the wizard that will help guide you through. You select your location. Let's do Singapore. You go to the apps images and scroll down until you find Minecraft. Scroll up again and select the version. You should do the latest one. You select availability, 2 CPUs, 2 GB of RAM, and 20 GB of SSD. You come down to where you select your password. Make sure you don't lose it. You have to remember the password, validate it, put in the server name, and then create server. As you do, you'll see this task queued where they're creating server. It's going to take some time, but you can track the status. Go get some coffee. Take a little bit of a break because they have to install the operating system and then install the Minecraft there. So it's going to take a little bit of time. It's not just like installing a small little piece of game or software. It is actually installing the operating system first after it instantiates your virtual private server. And it has been completed successfully. We're going to go up here to dashboard and add a module so we can actually see it. Server overview, select MC test and add module. Just allows us to see a little bit more information about it. Now we can click here on servers and we can see the IP of the server as well. We can hit open here and we'll get some more details. What we want to do is log into it and do an update of the Minecraft server. It is running right now. The Minecraft server is running, but normally what happens is that it's installed, but the version of the game server will lag the latest version. So we have to upgrade it. We're going to do a connect. And we're not going to show the password, but we're going to do open remote console. And you remember the password that we put in before? That's the one we're going to use. The username is going to be root. Root and my password. And I'm now logged in. You will see that under the system description, it tells you where the Minecraft server directory is under /opt Minecraft Survival. And the configuration file is opt Minecraft Survival Server Properties. And the server port is 25565. As I mentioned, the game server will be normally outdated. You're going to need to do this if there is a client or server update anyway. So it's good to learn how to do it. You have to go to minecraft.net/NUS, download server, and it'll tell you which is the latest version. You're looking for the jar file. And of course, to get the link here, you just right click and do copy link. And you put that somewhere in a text file, for instance. In the description below, I will leave a link for the latest one as I'm making this video, but that will probably change as Minecraft evolves. So we're going to move down to the Minecraft location, which is opt Minecraft Survival. And we'll see there is a server.jar there already. We're actually going to make a copy of that by cp server jar into server jar dot back, just so we have a copy of it, just in case something goes wrong, and they can always put it back. Now we want to download the version of Minecraft that is the latest one. And this is a little bit tedious because you have to type this in correctly. It is a little bit tedious to type in. If you logged in through Putty or something similar, you could probably just paste it in, but this remote console doesn't allow you to do that. So do a wget, which is downloading it from this location. And it's saying it doesn't exist, which probably means I did something wrong. Now, finally, I'm getting it correctly. It is a little bit tedious because it's easy to mistype it. But you can see it is downloading the latest version. All right, let's see what we have here. We have a server jar 1. You can see it got a slightly different file size as well. What we're going to copy it over. Server jar 1. We're going to do that into server.jar. Like that, LSL. We'll see again. You'll see the server jar is now the same as the one we downloaded, and that should be the latest version. We're going to go back to here. Going to do actions here, and we're going to do a reboot to make sure that we get the server rebooted, which will restart the Minecraft server as well. Now, if you've been doing Minecraft server installations on Unix or Linux or something like that before, you probably know this a lot better than me. This is actually one of the few times lately that I've been doing Minecraft servers. I did that years and years back. So this is just a simple way of doing it. Perhaps not the most efficient one, but it works. Of course, the install version now should be 121.5. We're going to go to play. Of course, it is a Java edition. We're going to add a Minecraft server under the server address. Again, this is the IP that we checked previously. And you'll see it's live. Let's join it. And here we have sheep. And we are on our new Minecraft server. Oh, I haven't played this in a while. It's like I'm so used to shifting to run, but here it's crouch. And as I control is run, maybe I should remap these things. But you see, everything is working, and I'm playing on the server now. Isn't that nice? See how easy that was? Yes, the most annoying thing is having to actually manage the server, which is one of those things. If you are managing a server, you have to learn how to do that anyway. So let's disconnect here. Let's close this. Let's go back to our root login here. Now, if you want to change the properties, an easy way is basically just to nano server properties, and you'll get all the different properties that are associated with this world. So you can go through and see them here, and there's a bunch of information, but you can configure your server the way you want to have. And if you do run into any issues, where you want to go is down here to support and create a new ticket. And you can raise a ticket and you can ask for help with your server, for instance. If you have any questions with the billing, if you have any questions with the performance, or what kind of sizing or specification you want to have on your server, depending on what game or purpose you are using it for. But we've now gone through, we've signed up, we have installed the Minecraft server, we have updated it to the latest version, and we have logged into it to verify that everything is working. Congratulations! Now you're able to play with your friends. Just give them the IP and the port, and you're able to play with your friends on your newly created server. I will leave some of the links below in the description, so go check that out. And whether you're looking for a Minecraft server, you're looking for other cloud servers, such as a virtual dedicated server or private server, you can check out the Kamatera Cloud Solutions. And as always, if you have more questions, Just raise it up to them and they'll be able to talk you through it and discuss with you to meet your requirements. Catch you next time.